Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ink cartridges on this HP printer. This is the model number 2855 or the 2800 series. So you do have to make sure the black one is going to have a black cap and it's going to be the number 67. 67 or 67XL or XXL. The tricolor is going to have this like pink cap and it's going to be a 67 also, but it's going to say the word tricolor. Now the first thing you do is you want to remove this tape. And that tape should wrap all the way around. Be careful, ink will start flowing out. Take this piece of tape off, and again, the black will start flowing out there. Okay, so I do have the printer powered on. This door has to be open, and we're gonna open this door. That's gonna allow the printer cartridge tray to come to the middle. Now they have a diagram right here that's gonna show us how to install them. The magenta, or this pink, the tricolor, goes on the left. We see from that diagram right there. And then the black goes on the right. All right, you're simply, these little contacts, and the tape is off. You're just gonna take the one on the left, you're gonna just push it, and it'll kind of snap up into place. Same with the black. Kind of push it, snap up into place. When you need to remove it, same thing, just kind of push down, just kind of push down a little bit. It doesn't need much, just down a little bit and it's ready to go. Then you can just take this and put the new one in like that. Okay, now you're going to close this door and you should hear the tray kind of move a little bit. Here's what the display looks like. It shows us our ink levels already. The Wi-Fi, we've already got it connected to Wi-Fi. We have ink levels, but it's going to sit there and it's going to do something. All right, now I can hear something going on in there. I've got paper loaded. I've got this door open so that when we print. Okay, looks like I think it's gonna print an alignment page. So that circle is going around. Okay, so that took about 20 to 30 seconds for it to, once I installed the printer cartridges, now it's going to print out this page. It does take a little bit for it to print this alignment page. Okay, we're gonna grab the alignment page. Now we've got to place it on up here. All right, so we're gonna open this up. Here's where the alignment paper goes. Again, you're gonna take it. So we're gonna take it and place it like this. So that those words and kind of the bottom of the paper is down toward the bottom. And make sure that's filling the glass like that, all right? Okay, we're gonna press this copy button right here. That we had the word A, now it's going in a circle again, and we're gonna check the alignment. The printer's gonna check the alignment now. I can hear that scanner going across. And I am following this along in that HP app. And when it's all done, I'm gonna press continue here. Okay, so it looks like we have a 0, the blue light is on steady, power button's on steady. I can take this off, hit continue on the app. So I took the piece of paper off. Okay, that's how to install the ink cartridges. I will put links to the ink cartridges right below the video. Very simple video. I hope this video helped. Again, I use the HP app. The HP app I use is this HP Smart. It seems to work pretty good. There's several HP apps. I don't know exactly which one to use, but that one did work for this one. So if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.